Welcome to Carpetright's Guide to Laminate Flooring. In this short film, we'll explain what laminate is made from, the benefits, the different fitting systems, the styles, the finishes, and the finishing touches. So, when you come to visit Carpetright, you'll be well informed and ready to make your decision. Firstly, what is laminate? Well, the simple explanation is that it's a photo of real wood put onto a board. But in reality, it's a little more detailed than that. Laminate is actually made up of 4 layers. The top layer is made from aluminium oxide, which adds strength, and melamine, which protects the product from heat and stains. This layer also gives the product protection from scratching, as well as fade resistance from sunlight. Next is the decor layer. This is a layer of paper where the design of the flooring is printed. Usually this is a photograph of the wood or stone that the laminate is replicating. In some laminate, the image is printed straight onto the board for a better finish. Below this is the thickest layer of the laminate, high-density fiberboard, or HDF for short. This layer adds strength and stability to help prevent moisture from seeping through. This layer also carries the CLIC system. The thicker the HDF layer, the stronger the CLIC system. The final layer is the carrier. This backing protects the laminate from moisture from below, and so prevents the board from warping. So, what are the benefits of creating laminate in this way? Firstly, laminate is tough, protected from scratches and scrapes by the top layer. Secondly, it's light resistant, its top layer protecting the colour from fading. Thirdly, it's heat resistant, so affords protection from burns. And finally, it's resistant against spillages and easy to clean. So, laminate is a sturdy and hard-wearing floor covering. But how does it all fit together? With the evolution of CLIC systems, laminate has become quicker and easier to fit. These are glueless systems providing quick and easy installation. All these varieties of laminate flooring can be used with underfloor heating. And once the planks are fitted, how do you get that great finish you're after? The beveled edges of each plank add depth and definition. Some planks have a groove along the length of the plank only, known as 2V, whereas others have a groove along the length and width, known as 4V. Both 2V and 4V also come in a premium version that continues the decor into the groove itself for a really natural look. Laminate flooring with a stone design has a U-groove to replicate the look of grouting between tiles. Laminate comes in a variety of thicknesses, depending on the HDF content, ranging from 7mm to a sturdy 12mm. Generally, the thicker the board, the greater the advantages. So the stability of the laminate increases, the locking system is stronger due to having a thicker clicking system, and the acoustic properties improve. This means that when walked on, the laminate sounds more like real wood. Next comes the surface finish. There are many textured finishes available for laminate, ranging from a smooth surface to a registered emboss. The finish helps to give laminate the look of real wood or stone. A wood grain finish provides a light wood grain visible through small grooves to give a light, natural look. An embossed finish is a texture that's pressed into the laminate to give it the look and feel of real wood, although the texture does not match the design. To have the texture and design in alignment, there is a register embossed finish, so you can feel the grain and knots of the wood design or the contours on a stone finish. On top of these finishes, there are also further design features to enhance the look and feel of your flooring. The Chrome Zone finish is applied to give extra definition to the grain. This is achieved by printing chrome on the wood grains, giving them a shine against the matte finish of the board. Hand-scraped laminate has a subtly contoured surface, giving that extra touch of a traditional wooden floor. The texture of the floor is not only visible to the eye, you'll actually feel it on your feet as you walk across it. A saw-cut finish is embossed and designed to imitate how a real wood floor would have been cut across the grain. The result is authenticity you can see and feel. At Carpetright, we have a huge variety of laminate floor options. For ease, we've divided our laminate into 3 collections: Home Essentials is a selection of laminate styles that includes our most popular designs. They've been chosen to be the most suited to everyday life in a modern, active household. Beautiful yet practical designs with the added durability of laminate. All the laminate in our Home Essentials collection is stocked and ready to take away. The CLIC collection will be delivered to your door and pushes the designs a little further. These designs are not stocked in store, but are available for home delivery. Each of the designs has a set of matching accessories to complete your room. For convenience, your order will be delivered directly to your home. As with many things, the real beauty of a stunning laminate floor often lies in the detail. For all of our laminate, there are accessories available for you to add the finishing touches that will really give your room the wow factor. Underlay helps to reduce impact noise, removes subfloor imperfections, improves insulation, and also acts as a moisture barrier. Underlay joins should always be covered with vapor tape to ensure a moisture-proof layer. If you have underfloor heating, you'll need to use an underlay without a foil layer, which will otherwise reduce its effectiveness. You can use skirting board or beading as a stylish way to cover the expansion gaps around the edge of the room and give the floor a beautifully finished edge. Door bars are attached to the floor at the base of the door for a smooth transition between new and existing floor surfaces. Once you've got your new laminate floor fitted, you'll want to keep it looking as beautiful as possible. There are 2 ways we recommend. If you just want to clean your laminate quickly, use a vacuum cleaner without the beater bar on, or a mop with a dust-attracting pad attached. You can also use a damp cloth to wipe the floor. If required, a very diluted household cleaner can be used. Whenever you clean the floor using liquid, it's important to remove any residual surface moisture immediately. The Prestige collection is a selection of engineered wood flooring, a high-quality alternative to solid wood with all the benefits of a laminate. Due to its 3-layer construction, engineered wood offers the natural beauty of a hardwood floor without the cost. This also allows it to be used in areas that are not suitable for solid wood flooring, such as conservatories or with underfloor heating. Our engineered wood comes with a simple, glueless CLIC system for easy, quick installation. Firstly, you'll need to review your floor. For a perfect finish, it's vital to start with a perfect subfloor that's clean, level, and dry. Any protruding imperfections will create surface problems and possibly weaken the CLIC system. Loose floorboards should be secured, and any cracks to a concrete floor screed.